About to make coffee out of this thing. What's it called again? MOKA. 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 That's what it's called.
MOKA.
Uh-huh. It's okay, I'll clean it up.
You know I don't like making a mess.
I know.
If I can avoid it.
I know, baby. Having a Keurig at home. Going from that to this.
Yeah.
Would you do this every day?
I gotta see how it tastes, and then I will definitely let you know.
You want me to hold that?
The hot water. No, I got it.
Okay.
Damn. Don't you hate when you're trying to pour something and it does that?
I gotta change. Here, give me this so that you can pick that up.
Yeah, it is kind of warm.
We probably should have had the stove heating up.
This goes here.
This is so interesting. The thing's not red anymore though.
Turn it up a little bit.
Oh, there it is. Alright, I'm gonna move this little guy. I feel like it's too close to the stove. After you're done, I'm gonna make egg white omelets. Is this supposed to be covered or?
Yeah, it's supposed to be covered. Get in there. Okay.
Okay, taste test.
Taste test. All right. Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Better than at home?
Better than Starbucks.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Wait, hold on. You got to give me the phone, and you have to taste.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
It's good?
It's good. And you know I'm not a huge coffee person.
But it's good.
We made breakfast. Fresh local eggs. Fresh local honey. Juice. Coffee.